Hello, guys! Back. Back with another one. And today on the workbench needs no introduction. It's a good old PlayStation 5. And this is a new one. Yeah, this one is very broken. The clasp is busted, there's pins that are broken out of it. It appears to be shoved inward. You guys won't be able to really see it, but anyway. Time to rock. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. How does this come off again? It looks fairly gross. There we go. I usually use a plastic spudger for this kind of stuff. I guess not like I said. I guess I've said it in the past, maybe. Not now, but anyway. I like to get my finger started right in here, and then I kind of just gently work around the board. And boom, just like that, off she comes. Okay. Now we've got the two screws that are behind the cover that gotta come off. A natural death. Okay. I'll get the clamp off of here and our cable pulled out, just like so. And there, boom, off she comes. Metal, oh, that's quite a interesting dry spot. Don't normally see it horizontal like that. That's kind of different. Yikes, there's a pin that's broken right off to the side there. Oh, you guys can't see. Hold on. There, now you can see. So yeah, this is very busted, and as you can see, there is I don't even know what that is. Is that a pin? Let's see if we can get it out of there. Zoom in. Oh, okay. It isn't actually broken through the back. I kind of thought it was. It doesn't look even on there. It looks like it's been shoved this way. Kind of see. It must be really bent. Anyway, let's get rid of this thing, shall we? Get Some Q-tips going here. Some flux. See, our board is nice and warm. It's good. That's what we want. As usual, we need to pay attention to our good old capacitor there over in the corner. Want to knock that off. Gives you more work to do. We're just going to come in here and suck up all the solder. Paying attention to our capacitor. Just like that. It's good. And while we're in here, let's fill these holes back up. There's heat in the board. Perfect. So now that we've got that nice and clean, let's go ahead and lay some fresh solder down. And we're going to use the Kimbo for this. I generally drop my ports with Kimbo. Clean with Steery and drop port with Kimbo is usually how I go about things. Suppose I can put, yeah, what the heck, I'll put some more here. So, okay, so now you just want to go over the pins again with a little bit of fresh solder. Of course, we're using our standard 6040 leaded. Boom. Like I've done it before. Okay, so that's looking real good. Everything's going real smooth so far. So let's bring the board out off the edge of the bench. And we're looking for the legs to melt. So Okay. I had to do that one twice because, you know, the king of HDMI blew it there with too much heat. I ended up melting the inside there. You really got to make sure you keep your heat gun, air gun away from that centerpiece. If you get too much heat down in here, you start to melt the connector. So you need to try and keep your wand over on the back side here as much as you can. It's really easy to get in this notch. It's really actually kind of an annoying thing about the PlayStation 5 port, but whatever, it happens, and all you can do is just do it over again and do it better the second time. Well, if we zoom in, we can see the nice little shoulders there. We can also see that the solder has flowed really nicely up the side of the legs on all corners, so that's good. So let's just go ahead and do a quick solid test in here. Oh, it's tough, 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 tough. Tough, 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 oh, tough, tough, and tough. Oh, red probe on ground, just like that. And we'll just go through these. 1, 8, 3, 2, ground. 3, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 5, ground. 6, 8, 3. 7, 8, 3, 8, ground, 9, 8, 3, 10, 8, 3, 11, ground, 12, 8, 3, 13 will be different, 7, 1, 14, no connect, 15, 7, 16, 7, 17, ground, 18, 7, 7, and 19, 7, 3. That is good and wonderful. Just like that. Okay. Snappity snap snap. Okay. That console is back together. So I think at this point we are good to test it. And yeah, let's see what happens here. Give it some power. Grab my cord. Okay. And we're just going to switch over into my HDMI input. Alrighty, let's see. Blue light. Oh, you guys can't see it. This one's kind of weird. There it is. And do we have pictures, the question? Boom! There's a storage check. Really too sure what's going on there. Okay, there we go. That's kind of crappy, but sorry guys. Alright, let's get a controller. Make sure everything is 100%. Everything looks good though. Booting. Good, 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 good. There goes. Boom. And another one is saved. Well, guys, that is it. This is another successful PS5 Slim model repair. Thanks for joining me. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully you learned something, and I will see you again.